18 bag. So let's get to it. So the first thing on my list is I like to show the cards. And the cards of the month is Unzipped. Unzipped. And it says being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. Amen. That's true. Alright, so Unzipped, that is the card for February. The next first thing that I want to show you is, and this is a meteor shower scrub for your body. And this is what it looks like. It's like a beautiful brown, reddish brown. So yeah, bubble macaroon lip balm, essential oil. And the next thing I got was Marsk, M-A-R-S-K by Sydney London. And this is a foiled again, called Foiled Again, and this is eyeshadow. What it's called. Okay, and then last but not least, woo, Luxie brush. And then I got a dual end one this time, Luxie brush. And I'm taking it out of the packaging so you can see. And this one is called it's a number 249 brush. Well, dual end. Light pastel pink color on it. Very romantic and February-ish, month of love. Yeah. And thank you once again for tuning into my video. Hope you stay tuned. If you like what you see, you know what to do. I'm not pressuring nobody to do whatever you don't want to do. So if you want to, hey, feel free. It's my channel. And I'll see you in a bit. God bless.